Now dear student, let's solve the ISI MSQE sample paper 2024. Let's start with question number 6. Consider market demand function P equal to 100 minus Q again, and this Q is demand. There are two farms, C of QY, and this is the demand is given. So Burton-Nash equilibrium we have to find out. Okay, so find out the Nash equilibrium. Consider the following. Let's just state the cases. Case 1, P1 equal to 0 and P2 equal to is also 0. Okay, both are 0. So if both the firms charge price of 0, so their demand will be D1, that is equal to D2 equal to 100. There is no charges. Okay, so which exceeds the capacity equal to 10, so this cannot be the equilibrium. No, let's go for this. This is not the possibility. Next, go for 80-80. So here both the firms charges 80-80, so D1 equal to D2 equal to 10, which is within the capacity. Done. Neither firm has an incentive to deviate from the raising the prices, will result from a zero demand. Demand will be 0 for that firm. So this is the Nash equilibrium. Done. Okay, let's see the other options also. P1 equal to 20-20. So in that case, D1 equal to D2 equal to 20 plus 20 each. So 40, which exceeds the capacity, not possible. And in the last case, 90-90, 90 and 90. So this is D1 equal to D2 equal to 5, which is within the capacity. However, either firm can increase its profit slightly by undercutting the other firm's price and capturing the entire market. So this cannot be the equilibrium. So here undercutting is possible and you can make some changes. So this is not the equilibrium. So this is the final answer.